Hi, my name is Dr. Gwen Rees and I'm a vet and a lecturer in veterinary science at Aberystwyth University. I'm also leading the work with Welsh farm vets as part of the Arwain DGC project. The key focus of our work will be to improve the prescribing of antimicrobials in cattle and sheep in Wales. By working with Wales's network of veterinary prescribing champions, located at 3/4 of all Welsh veterinary practices who work with cattle and sheep, we will work to make further improvements to antimicrobial stewardship, along with developing a number of collaborative clinical prescribing guidelines for some key diseases in cattle and sheep. These vets will also work together to create a voluntary code of conduct for veterinary practices when it comes to prescribing antibiotics to ensure that Wales continues to lead the way in this area.